Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
We got another clown. We got another freaking clown. Let's see if they gonna tip in cash. Let's see if this clown is gonna tip in cash. Who is this? Ricky? Ricky W? Looky here, Ricky W. You out here tweaking, boy. Your ass ordered one burrito bowl. What is wrong with you? Chipotle right there, too. Boy, this is crazy. This is crazy right here, boy. Ricky. 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 What is going on? Ricky, you broke?
You're broke!
Ricky, is you broke?
Come on now, dog.
Oh my God. Lord Jesus. Ricky is broke, y'all.
Really, nigga?
Better not be a hand to me. Let me see. Hand to me? Hand to me. Lord Jesus.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Ricky. Ricky. All right, well, let's go pick up Ricky's order. He wanted to be famous, so we're about to make him famous. Me and Ricky is clowns. Ricky. Why you gotta do me like this, Ricky? Ricky. No tip Ricky. Got an order for no tip Ricky. He must be related to No Tip Timmy. Oh my God, Ricky. And then you got the nerve to make it a hand to me. You got the nerve. Oh my God. All right. I'm gonna hand it to you, all right? No tip Ricky. Got a Doordash order for no tip Ricky. That's crazy, Ricky. How you gonna do us like that? He probably at work. Y'all. No tip Ricky. I think I see Ricky. Hey, you Ricky? I got a Doordash order for Ricky, man. That's you.
You're poor.
Alright, hold on. I gotta get a picture, man.
Yeah.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Appreciate you, Ricky. Look at his non-tipping ass. Look at him. He doing the walk of shame. Look at Ricky. Look at him. Look at him. Clown. Ricky, a clown. Give me that picture, scamming ass, boy. Look at him. No tip. Look at him. Came out of the woodworks and everything. Get on my damn nerves. All right, Ricky. Hope you enjoy your damn chapato.